Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanvi Sukharam Doshi and today is Tutorial Tuesday. In today's Tutorial Tuesday, I am going to show you guys two portable garment steamer and we are going to compare how they work. How much space do they consume in your wardrobe or in your bag, are they worth the value which we are paying, etc. That's what we are going to do. So without wasting further time, let's quickly jump into this video. And before that, if you have yet not subscribed to my channel, kindly do it right away, and also do not forget to click on the bell icon because every time I come online you will get a notification. The two steamers which we are going to compare today, one is black+decker. I have yet not unboxed it. It was also one of the birthday gift by my husband. And this Philips portable garment steamer. I'm sure you guys have seen this if you have seen my previous birthday unboxing video. I have unboxed this product in that video. I will link it here somewhere above. You can check that out as well if you have yet not seen it. But today we are going to do black+decker and Philips garment steamer tutorial and compare them. Once we finish this video, you guys will be able to compare and make a decision yourself that which is more user friendly, which is worth the price you're paying, and which is more compact and travel friendly as well, and what suits you the best. You can make a decision, I'm sure, once we finish this video. So let's get started. First steamer which we are trying is the Philips portable garment steamer, and they have this tank for water filling. So we are going to quickly fill the water over here and then we start steaming the outfit. So this is a detachable water tank which you can remove and fill the water. I have filled the water. You fill it from here, you open this, fill the water, close it again. There is no drop, no leakage over here, and you quickly fit it back again. It's so easy and it's so handy. It's also very user friendly. There is no rocket science to this. Now quickly let's steam the outfit. Once you start the plug in the steamer, it will give you this light, and once you press this button over here, it will quickly start warming the water from here. Now we're quickly going to steam press our outfit. Quick knowledge about me, that I have learned actually steam ironing in Tommy Hilfiger in Bombay. In their flagship store, I used to work as a visual merchandiser. So we had to learn all of these things before we actually get to our main job. So that's where I learned steam ironing, and yeah. So for me, Philips garment portable steamer is a thumbs up. I really love it. It's super handy. It's super compact, can fit into any bag or any drawer. Also, it's very user friendly. There is no instruction which you need. They do have a booklet for it, for a tutorial, and they also do have a video, but I don't think so anybody needs that because there's no rocket science to it. You just fill the water and you press the on button, and then you press the steam. Then you press the steam sign and it will start doing its job and you start doing your job, and that's about it. So one side of my linen kurta I've steam ironed with the Philips portable steamer. The second side I'm going to show you with black+decker. So let's quickly do that now. I'm pretty excited for that because I've yet not opened it also. So first I am going to open it and show it to you guys and show myself how it looks. So guys, I've unboxed it, and let me tell you, I don't find it compact or user friendly, like just from the look of it. I don't want to be too quick to judge it, but yeah, there is like a lot of things. So this is the main steamer attached with the cord. You have to plug it in. Then this is so this is the water tank which comes along with it. Then there is this pipe. I still am yet to figure out what does this do. I think this is an extra attachment which goes in this pipe. And also there is one more thing, which is this brush. If you require to brush your woolen clothes or something, I think this is for that. I'm yet left to read the user manual. It comes with it, so I think it's easy. But it's not as compact as the Philips one because you can just fold it and put it anywhere in your bag also. So I think this is not travel friendly at least, but yeah, you can definitely have it for your home. Okay, so now let's quickly fill this water tank. Again, it's the same process, that there is this white opener over here. You Simply open it, put the water inside, close it back and attach it with the steamer. I'm just going to quickly fill the water. I have this minimum and maximum point indicated. Yeah, so there is this hole over here where you have to attach this water tank. I'm going to do it. We just locked this in, plugged in the steamer. There is a big power button over here. You press that power button. You won't believe I've steamed the outfit. I forgot to switch on the record button on the camera, but I'm going to show you guys once again. So now this is blue, so which means it is ready to use, and there is one more press steam button here. Once you press it, will start throwing the steam, and that's when you start ironing it. Once you're done with your steam ironing, you simply take this button up and leave it. It will stop the steam, and then you press this power off button, which will power off the steamer, and we are good to go with our steam ironing. We are done with our linen kurta steam ironing with the two portable steamer. One is the black+decker one and one is the Philips one. Now comparing it size wise, I think this is more handy and portable because you can fold it like this and put it anywhere in your bag, your purse. Even it will not take much of the space in your drawers, in your shelves. So I think this one is more portable, more compact in size. So in comparison to black+decker, of course you can separate the tools here and put it, but still it is going to consume more space than the Philips one. Secondly, now if you see user friendly wise, again Philips one is more user friendly because there's no rocket science to understand the steamer. Simply detach this water tank, fill in the water and you start using it. With this product you have to make sure that how much level of water you are putting it in, maximum and minimum according to the outfits. Again, understanding it that you have to press this button down for the steam to come out. Once you press the power button, it shows you red. You have to wait until it is ready to go blue. Once it goes blue, you have to press this button and it will start throwing out steam, and once you're done, you do not have to forget to put it back up so that it stops your steam. So it's little bit of complicated than the Philips steamer. So again, I would select Philips over the black+decker. Going down to the water tank level, I think this has much more water capacity than this one. So I think here I will have to refill quite some time rather than in this one. So there I will give it to black+decker. Power wattage wise, this one is 1500 watts and this one is around 910 to 108. So this basically takes less load than this one. So I think this will work anywhere and everywhere. I think this is particularly made for a travel purpose, and this you can keep it at your home, because if you see effective wise and quicker wise, then I think black+decker is super. It throws steam in much more volume and gives a perfect crisp to the outfit. And whereas this Philips portable steamer, it will take some time, like few times you have to go up and down with your garment so that it becomes crisp. So there I will give Philips a 5 on 10 and black+decker a 10 on 10. But overall, if you ask me, if my purpose is travel friendly, then I would definitely go for the Philips one. But if I'm buying it for my home, then I would go for black+decker. So you can select your purpose and you can choose which steamer goes for you and solves your purpose. So that's it about today's Tutorial Tuesday. I hope you liked this video, and if you have enjoyed it, please do not forget to give a thumbs up and do not forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you guys on Thursday.